We're reckoning with a climate crisis, a global pandemic, excruciating racial and economic injustice and inequality, social upheaval. We're at a real inflection point for how investors, investment managers, and companies act on and incorporate ESG factors.
We've seen this evolution into the idea of integration, or what we like to call sustainable alpha, but how are the incorporation of E, S, and G all driving better returns in businesses? And that's where we're really seeing sort of the impact increase so meaningfully.
This discussion underscores how important and urgent it is that all of the different types of organizations here prioritize making progress there. I'm very confident it will lead to better outcomes. Capital is not scarce today. Capital is surplus. What is scarce are solutions to these huge societal challenges. So if you're a capital provider, that's where you, I think, will likely find some of your best opportunities, solving big problems.
If there's one asset class that we'd say you can have the most impact in, it would be in venture, where early stage innovation is happening. Creating impact with your investments no longer means you're compromising returns. And that's so important.
The company Flickshop, we build a technology that helps keep families connected to their incarcerated loved ones. We are being intentional about building scalable technologies that allow for not only the successful reentry for people that are coming out of prison, but be able to have a meaningful, humane life while they're there. We've had an interesting time lining up the impact of our work, also articulating the size of the market. I think that's one of the biggest barriers, especially when talking to VCs.
You have a group of very well-intentioned people doing very good things, but because the group is homogeneous, there are huge opportunities that we've missed and have a really urgent need to play catch-up on now.
Hip-hop completely created a new culture. We even seen it happen in Hollywood. I want to be able to see the tech sectors and the CSR spaces become no different. And we have an opportunity to make change that creates a better environment for all of us.
The greatest impact comes when you take meaningful risk and you figure out how to find those frameworks that help you get comfortable with it. Because if we don't take those risks, we're not going to have the impact. So I look at like the impact's going to come from the risk, and that's what's so exciting about the time we're in right now.